Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online session of Safa Intellectual School. I'm your teacher, English teacher, and today we are going to do lesson number 3 of the unit, The Miller, His Son, and Their Donkey. Today we are going to do the grammar focus. The objectives of today's lesson is we have to study singular and plural nouns, and we have to know what are the kinds of plurals. This is your page for grammar focus. You have to see the exercise E in your unit number 2. See, there is a readme section where the definitions are written. We will discuss them in detail and then we will read the examples. You know what are plural nouns? When a singular noun is 1 becomes 2, it becomes a plural noun. 1 cup becomes 2 cups. 1 tree becomes 2 trees. Okay, so when there's the concept of one or more, you're studying from your childhood, and now you have to study in detail what is a plural noun actually. Just remember that the plurals that are made by adding ses are called regular plurals. Those which are made by s or es, like box becomes boxes with es, and bag becomes bags with s. 1 box, 2 boxes, 1 bag, 2 bags. Now here, there is no change in the spelling, only they're adding es or s to make it plural. So those plurals which can become plurals by adding s or es are called regular plurals noun. Then we have plurals that are made by changing the spelling of the singular noun are called irregular plurals. Like tooth becomes teeth, man becomes men. Now tooth is with double O, but when it becomes plural, it becomes teeth with double E. Man has A in it, but when it becomes plural, it has E in it. There are several other plural nouns like that. Women, for example, mouse becomes mice, and then woman becomes women, and then foot become feet, goose become geese. So all these are the examples of irregular plurals. Then we have plurals that remain the same are called neutral plural nouns. Sheep remains sheep, hair remains hair. The plural form of hair is also hair. We don't say hairs, it is wrong. And then sheeps, no sheeps. Then there's another word that is fish. It remains fish in the plural form. Okay, so there are some words which remain plural in the same, they remain the same in the plurals as they are in singulars. So these are the general definitions of regular, irregular, and neutral plural nouns. Now we will go towards the examples and see what the examples are saying. Look, donkey becomes donkeys with s. House becomes houses with es. So they both are regular plural nouns. Wife changes to wives, wives. We are replacing f with ves. So wives, it changes, so it is a regular plural noun. Mouse becomes mice. It changes the spelling, so it is also a irregular plural noun. Watch becomes watches with es. Potato becomes potatoes with es. So they both are regular plurals. Spacecraft becomes spacecraft, and deer becomes deer. So they both remain the same. That's why they are neutral plural nouns. Now you can easily recognize them anywhere. If they are written anywhere, you can recognize them as well. You can make them. Okay. Now it is also your homework. You have to do it in your notebooks. I am solving it here as well. It is written in your book. It is exercise number 2, which you can see. It's in the plural nouns. Okay, you have to do it in your notebook. We will discuss the plurals of it. I will tell you the correct answer of it. then only you have to write them in your notebook. So this is your homework as well as we're doing it here. Rewrite the given sentences, replacing the underlined singular nouns with the plural form in your notebook. And what you have to do is you have to write the whole exercise like this, but leave one line here. Like the sheep is grazing in the lush field, and then you have to leave one line. In that line, you have to write the correct plural form. The sheep, as you know, will remain sheep. So it will not change here. The sheep is grazing in the lush field. It will remain the same. I found an egg. What is the plural of egg? You have to write the sentence again and write the plural of egg. Eggs. There are many species of cats in the world. Now, species is the singular as well as the plural. So it will not change. The sentence will remain the same. I saw a donkey running by the roadside. So donkey becomes donkeys. You know the spelling. Right again. I saw a, not a. Remember that, like an egg, a donkey, you have to replace it because a and an comes with singular noun. A comes with singular noun, an comes with singular noun. They both come with singular noun. They don't come with plurals. So what you have to write, I found eggs, no an. And then I saw donkeys, no a with it. I saw donkeys running by the roadside. My mother sharpened her knife. Now you know the plural of knife is knives, just like wives, knives. So my mother sharpened her knives, 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 before cutting the meat. Which drama serial do you like the most? Drama serials. Which drama serials with S, single S, do you like the most? So this is the answer of this exercise. Now you have to write it in your notebook and write the correct answers. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood it. Tomorrow we will do, then in the next lesson, we will do other exercise of your grammar portion. Till then, Allah Hafiz.